Hello, this is Klaus again at Crescent Hardwood. I just wanted to show you real quick how we put in our call reports for our daily meetings. We will locate our FileMaker Go app on the iPad and tap on it, choose our database file, put in our credentials and our password, hit the Go button, and we are in there. Now we see we have call reports and call logs. Today we choose a call report, and we just simply say with the green button, add a new one. Okay, we choose Toka Flooring. Today we visit Toka Flooring, and we say, okay, we have our first topic, which is the CHC Irish channel. So let's talk about this. We put also here our number one, so there is a relationship between the topic and the discussion. So we put in showed samples customer will display product in 3 weeks. Okay, then we can have the next topic. We just go with our return button here to number 2. And we say, okay, we have now CHC VC. We go back to the discussion field, return, and say number 2, okay, customer liked also VC, will purchase display. Okay, and then very important, we have to put in need action in this field. So if we are here in the discussion field, we just can simply hit the next button, and we choose whoever needs to take actions. If it's a manager or the owner, we have to put this in. We can correct this at any time. If it's a sales manager or the branch manager, if it's a branch alone, if it's a territory manager, which will be you, or if you want everybody have some sort of feedback into it. Okay, we just say, okay, in this case, it's a branch that needs to probably prepare for a new display for IC and VC. Now you can put some remarks in here. Will order display separately. For example, you hit the next button. Who was your contact? Tom Cruise. And the time is already in there. You don't have to do anything about the time. You hit the next button, and you go to the next customer. This green plus button is only once a day at the beginning of the day when you start filling out these reports. And for the rest of the day, you always advance with the next button. Yeah. You have to be in an empty field like this in order to save all what is in this part here in the previous report. Okay, you can then insert the next customer, Bergeron, and you say raw fish boil. And here it's relation to topic 1 is the answer 1 will join. Okay, and in this case you will follow up. We don't have to do anything. You choose a territory manager, and in remarks you put in whatever you need there. Okay, then hit the next button, contact Arnold Schwarzenegger. Hit the next button, the time, and you're done with it. So these things will really fill out very easy and very quick. And once you are done filling out these at the end of the day, you just go to your send in email. Make sure you are already in a new line, otherwise this may not take it into the report. So be sure on an empty line, and then we hit the send in email. A window will pop up from your email app in the iPad. So we have to make sure there are the right email addresses in. You send these to John and to Klaus, and you copy yourself, so you have a copy of this call report. Yeah, you can add here www_report and say 2015-05. Today is the 12th. And then it says in the text attached is a report, and here is attached an Excel spreadsheet where everything is in that you just filled out. Then you send this report and you are all done. Okay, it goes by default to customers and we can start a new task. That was it for call reports. We can also see our call logs and go in there. We can find them. Let's say we want to find the date. You see date, time, location, which is also date, time, location here. So we put in a date, let's say today. Hit next. Sorry. You have to move it in order to show it up here. Hit next. And then up there is a search button. You hit search, and there are the one that you did today. Okay, so there is one that you visited with Tom Cruise and also Arnold Schwarzenegger. Okay, you can tap on it and you can look at those at any time. Okay, you don't have to do anything, you don't have to send them in by mail. They are just only for your discretion. Okay, if you have any questions, please call John or I and we will help you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.